Hello, welcome to my channel and welcome to my first makeup monthly of the year. January is my birthday month, so naturally I got more than I typically do, but I actually feel like I did more in November and December of last year than I did this year, just kind of where things landed. But I am excited to share what I got. I've got a few empties, I've got stuff for my BoxyCharm, so let's just get into it. And I'll start in with my Ulta birthday gift. This was the Ultra Repair Cream from First Aid Beauty. It's the birthday hydration. I thought that was cute. With skincare, it does take me a while to figure out whether or not I like it, but so far, so good. And I thought that was neat. I haven't really liked the Ulta birthday gifts in the past. It's usually just been like a basic mascara, but I was actually really happy. But they also do like a $10 gift card as well as double the points, so I mean, I'm not mad at it, but this has been my favorite birthday gift so far from Ulta. I also picked up a skincare set from Tatcha. They did come to my local Ulta. It came with a set of 4. I haven't tried the rice wash yet. I'm waiting to finish up some other cleansers, but I did get the Dewy Skin Tint Cream. It's the lavender one, and I actually really like it. I genuinely enjoy this. And then the water cream, I did try a sample of this. I want to say it was probably 2 years ago now, and I really liked it. I'm so glad to have it back in my collection. And then I got the Kiss You lip mask, and I'm actually a little bit underwhelmed by this. I think for a lip mask, I would want there to be more hydration to it, and as heavy as it feels, I would expect more from this, so I'm not exactly happy with it. But nonetheless, I did enjoy these. I've got kids laughing in the background, so it may be a little bit loud. Alright, blushes. So at the end of last year, I was looking at my blush collection and I told myself I do not need any more blushes. And what did I do? I picked up 5 new blushes in the month of January. And like it was just kind of like an unofficial like low buy, no buy of blushes, and I did the exact opposite of what I thought. But I did pick out the Tower 28 Beach Please blush in the shade Party Hour. I did wear this for my birthday. I absolutely loved it. I did want a good purple tone blush, and I felt like that was lacking in my collection, so I feel like this served the spot. I also got the Hourglass. It's their liquid blush. I picked up mine in the shade Unreal. And in all honesty, I don't think it lives up to the hype. I think it's good, but I don't think it's like super, like, I didn't see the hype around it. I mean, it was just kind of like another liquid blush. From Sephora, I picked up the Urban Decay Hydromaniac blush. I've been wanting to try these for a while. I found this on sale for $5, so I just had to try it. And I really like it. I like it because you can build it up, but you can also sheer it out, and I love I think for me that's like a perfect liquid blush. It's something that you could sheer out as much as you want, but you can also build it up. I also got the Makeup by Mario stick blushes, and again, just another beautiful formula. I've been really into Makeup by Mario lately, and then I really love the brush on the side. I know sometimes brushes like this can be a bit finicky, but I absolutely love the way it blends into the skin. I love the color of it. I think it's beautiful. And then I did try the Saie Dewy blush. Again, I loved it. This is the first thing from Saie that I've tried, and that being said, I do want to try more from Saie. I love the dewiness that it gives my cheeks. I'm obsessed. From BoxyCharm, I did get the Wander Beauty in Neutral palette, and I think it was so beautiful. This really does perform like the high-end luxury eyeshadows that I like. Super creamy, lasts all day, and I've been really into a good neutral color story lately. So, I mean, every look I've tried with this, I loved it. Also from BoxyCharm, I got the YC Collection Eyeliners. I've got a black and then like a green, and I smudged them out. I'm actually wearing these 2 today as my eyeliner, and I think it's absolutely beautiful. They stay on all day. I'm so impressed. I've loved everything I've gotten from the YC collection in my BoxyCharms. I feel like sometimes like these duochrome shades don't stay well as a liner, especially in the waterline, and this is like, it's workable, it lasts all day, it's not so much proof. I mean, I've had this on for like 8 hours now, and it's not going anywhere. I also got the Benefit Roller Lash. And again, it's one of those things where it's like super hyped up. I don't really get the hype, but it might also be because my mascara preferences are changing. I used to love a good lengthening mascara, and now I'm kind of more into not volumizing, but like a good solid hybrid of mascaras. Like I want a little bit of volumizing, a little bit of lengthening, and I just kind of like the Essence Lash Princess. I feel like that's a perfect mix of both. So this is just not as good as I thought it might have been. And then also from BoxyCharm, this MAC lipstick. I don't know, it's the Locked Kiss. I am wearing this today. This has been on all day. I heard it was supposed to be 24-hour wear. I don't quite get that, but it does last all day. I have reapplied it one time, but that was like after eating and having some water and coffee, and it's staying. The color is perfect. It's like a perfect red brown. Again, I'm obsessed. And then I also got a couple of brushes that I haven't really tried, but I have been loving those. I'm not sure the brand off the top of my head. But also from Sephora, the Sephora birthday gift, I got the Makeup by Mario lip set. It is plumping, which I didn't really like, but it doesn't feel any worse than Burt's Bees chapstick. And for me, that's kind of how I determine whether or not I can tolerate a plumping lip gloss. But the liner's not plumping, but the lipstick is. But again, perfect shade of a pinky nude. And it lasts well. It's balmy, it's moisturizing, and if it doesn't feel any more like any worse than a Burt's Bees chapstick, I actually really do like it. And then I've got a few empties this month. I used up my Clarins. It's the Recharge the Night Mask. I've repurchased these in the past. I love them. I do want to repurchase this one again, but this is completely gone. I'm so excited. I also used up the Makeup Forever mascara sample set. Again, I love it. I enjoy it. I probably won't repurchase it right now just because I've got a lot of mascaras that I'm using. I also have a lot of moisturizers that I've been entering my collection, so I don't need another one at the moment. And then last but not least, I was not expecting to use this up at all. I thought for sure I had a lot left, but I've got the Too Faced Pomade in a pencil. Again, I liked it. I felt like it was very stiff for my brows, though. I didn't really like how stiff it felt, and it wasn't really movable, so I probably won't repurchase this. I didn't hate it, but I also didn't love it, and I wouldn't recommend it just because of the stiffness. Now, if you like a pomade in a stick and you like something a little bit more stiff, it might be good for stiffer brows. Is that a word? Is that a thing? But for my thinner brows, I like something that I can just manipulate and look more like brow hairs, whereas I don't feel like you can do that with this. Anyway, that is everything in my makeup monthly for the month. I'm so excited. It's been a fun month of makeup. So yeah, if you are new here, welcome to my channel. I do videos focusing on beauty and lifestyle, and my goal on this platform is to share my love for beauty as well as my love for Jesus Christ as my Lord and Savior. If that's what you're into, hit that subscribe button, and if not, if you still want to stick around, I'd love to have you hit that subscribe button, and I will see you in the next one. Bye, guys.